So you've had a surgery or a medical procedure and a bad result has happened. Is this going to automatically be medical malpractice? I mean, can you sue your doctor just because you've had a bad result? Want to know the answer to this question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello guys, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk to you today about that question. Is it always going to be medical malpractice just because you had a bad result with a medical procedure? Well, the short answer is no. Just because you had a bad result, that's not going to always mean that medical malpractice occurred. In Maryland, to be successful with these types of cases, you have to prove that your treating doctor fell below the standard of care, causing your injury or your harm. That's the basis of these cases. Those are the basics. You gotta have an injury that was caused by your doctor falling below the standard of care, and that's where we are with everything in regards to a Maryland medical malpractice case. So what can theoretically happen is that you can have a bad result and your doctors did everything that they were supposed to do. They did not fall below the standard of care. You just had a bad result during a procedure. Now, this is really important because we have individuals who contact us and they think at times that just because that something bad happened that it automatically means that it's malpractice. So what we have to do is we have to do a thorough investigation. We have to get the medical records. We have to look over everything. We have to interview the client, find out what happened. And then after doing all of that, and of course talking to our medical experts, after doing that, then we can give the client a better idea as to our legal opinion, whether we think that they may have a strong case. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important information? Because I want to give you insight into this process. You may be watching this video right now because you've had a bad result and you may be wondering, well, you know what, is there more to it? Maybe now after listening to this video, you understand that it's not always going to be medical malpractice, but it may be a good idea for you to still reach out to an attorney and have someone to take a look at it for you to give you an idea one way or the other. If you have other questions, this is what I invite you to do. And remember guys, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action, and that is to pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.